Welcome to Kinyi. Established in 2013 in Dongguan, we are a supplier specialized in biodegradable molded pulp products. Our related factory has 2 production facilities with 3 production lines, as well as our own mold workshop. Our related factory has ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and FSC certificates. Our main products are molded pulp packaging trays and boxes for skincare, electronics, alcohol, and many other industries. We also supply ready-to-use pulp products like cat litter trays, planting pots, trash bins, and disposable tableware. We use renewable sugarcane bagasse, bamboo fiber, and recycled paper as raw materials. The materials were first mixed with water and beaten into slurry. Then the slurry was molded into different products under high temperature and pressure. No harmful substances are added in production, and there is no wastewater or gas. All our molded pulp products can break down in soil in short time, within about 3 months. They are a good option to replace plastic products. We provide customization service, accept low MOQ, can develop rapid prototype to shorten developing time. Our engineers have over 10 years of experience in molded pulp industry. We have an efficient and professional customer service team. Besides molded pulp packaging, we can also source relevant packaging to provide full packaging solutions. We have been working with customers from North America, United Kingdom, France, Germany, and many other customers from all over the world.